All right, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new bread and butter strategy, and I'm also going to show you some trend trades on how you can take trend trades using Vinnie's trading cheat code. Okay, so the basis of the bread and butter strategy is to get in and get out is a scalping strategy, and it helps you to get pips or ticks if you're in futures. Okay, now this strategy does work for all instruments, whether it be crypto, stocks, bonds, futures, forex, whatever it is that you trade, you can use this strategy, okay, using the system. So right now we're on a daily time frame, and we're just going to pick. I'm going to choose CHFJPY. I like the way that pair moves, and we will pick an area where we can go back and do replay mode and just go over some trades. So let's go. Click on replay, and we'll go clear. Okay. So let me go ahead and expand it. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, because this strategy is based on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. I'm going to explain to you everything. So here's a 1 hour time frame. And what we're looking for is on a 1 hour time frame is a high probability spike. Now the old cheat code, the old bread and butter strategy was the 1 hour time frame, the 15-minute break and retest. This one is going to be 1 hour time frame, 1 hour to enter. Okay, so you don't have to switch time frames. All be done in one time frame. Now again, you can always go to the lower time frame to try to find a better entry, but that's not what I do. Okay, so I'm showing you what works for me. Let's go ahead and turn on the indicators. Okay. One second. All right, so here's what we're looking for. We're looking for a high probability spike. So we have one here for a sell and one here for a buy. Okay. Now, all the high probability spike is just a indicator that's going to let you know that price is getting ready to reverse or pull back. Okay. It's just an early warning letting you know that price is getting ready to pull back. Now here on this new bread and butter strategy, we're looking for a high probability spike, and our entrance is going to be on the MACD buy or sell. Okay. So here in this example here, we had a high probability spike with a CC buy in this area right here. Okay. The MACD told us to buy right here. Okay. On that candle. Right. So if we took an entry there on that candle for a long position. All right. Let's say we were shooting for what, 25 pips. Voila, we won that trade. Okay. So let's go through this. Let's see if we can find some more trades using the replay bar. Let's go. Let me speed it up a little bit. So all I'm looking for, guys, is a high probability spike. I'm waiting for an extreme in the market. Okay, boom. Now we got our first one, guys. We got a high probability spike. Let me hit and slow this down. We got a high probability spike. We have a CC buy here. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to show you guys 2 entries. Okay. The first entry you can take after you get this CC buy high probability spike is going to be the confirmation buy. Okay. You can take the entrance on that. The second one is going to be the MACD entry. Okay, so let's take a look at the confirmation buy first. Okay, boom, we got a confirmed buy right there. Let's shoot. Now let's shoot for 25 pips. All right. Make it bigger so you guys can see it. Okay, now we just shoot for 25 pips. Let's see if we get it. Boom, we hit TP. All right, so we won that trade. Now, we can see that prices below the 47 moving average. You had a break, price come back up to retest. Now, price breaks above, then we're back bullish again. But right now we are bearish. Let's see if we can get a trend trade here on CHFJPY. Let's take a look here. Okay. Before that, let me go ahead and rewind that. Now our second entry would be our MACD. We got our MACD buy right here on that candle. Let's go ahead and mark it off so you can see. Okay, now let's enter the market for 25 pips for a long. Okay, so let's say we entered there when we seen it. 25 pips. Okay, so we almost hit TP right there. Okay, so I kind of gave you a late entry. It was almost at 25 pips. I mean, we missed it by half an inch. Okay, but now price is starting to head back down. So how can we get in on this downtrend? Well, we want to wait for a confirmation sell. Once we get a confirmation sell, we can go ahead and take that sell. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, we got a confirmation sell, price close, price coming back up to retest. Let's go ahead and shoot. Stop above that high, then we'll target this low down here. Okay, on the H1. Boom, we hit TP. Okay, so we got 25 pips here, almost got 25 pips here, and we got 52 pips here. Okay, so this is an example of a trend trade. So how do we get this trend trade again? Let's turn them back on the indicator. We are below the 47 moving average. Okay, remember, we are below the 47 moving average. So if we're below it, that means we're looking for sell opportunities. And we found a sell opportunity. All you have to do is wait for the confirmation sell. All right, and then you can take your entry. Okay, now we're going to go back now and wait for a bread and butter. Bread and butter is a high probability spike. So let's wait for another high probability spike, and we can take another buy. All right. Okay, boom. We got another high probability spike right here, okay? So again, for our entries, we can wait for the confirmation buy, or we can wait for the MACD to give us a buy signal. So like a confirmation buy right there, candle. Okay, boom, we got a confirmation buy right here. Again, we're going to shoot for 25 pips. We could shoot for the 28 right there. Okay, let's go. All right, so we would have lost that trade. Excuse me. We could have lost that trade because it hit our stop. Totally A1 fine with that, because again, price is still going in our desired direction. Okay, this is probably a news event that happened and took us out. Okay, but again, this trade is still valid. Why? Because it hasn't reached the other side of the band yet, and it still needs to do a deeper correction. So now we just wait for the MACD to cross and give us a buy signal to get back into trade. Boom, we got our buy signal. Okay, here on the MACD. Again, our long position we could have taken would be at that candle here, at the close of this candle. Okay, and again, we're shooting for 25 pips. Okay, our stop is going to be below this candle right there. All right, let's go. All right, boom, we hit TP. Congratulations. All right, now let's see if we get a confirmation sell to go ahead and sell, because again, price is still bearish. Why is price bearish? Well, we have market structure. We have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high, a lower low, lower low. Now price created a lower high. Okay, so unless this price comes up here and breaks this area or this high here, we're still bearish. Okay, we're still bearish. So the price comes up and breaks this area, then again, we're going to be moving in a different direction. Okay, so now what we want to do is wait for a confirmation sell. So here's our entry with the confirmation buy. Here's our entry with the MACD buy. You guys see that? Confirmation buy entry, MACD buy entry. See, either or is fine because you're confirming that price wants to go in that direction. Okay, so let's see what happens here. All right, price is outside the band. Boom, we got our confirmation sell right there. Okay, so now we know that we are bearish. We got a CC sell, confirmation sell. We got a huge, this yellow candle is a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, the yellow candle is a bearish engulfing candle. So let's go ahead and take this sell position. And this could be a monster trade right here. Okay, so let's say we got in at that candle right there. It was pulling back. We're gonna keep price above this high here. Yeah, let's put our stop loss above this high. So we got a 53 pip stop loss. All right, but where do we want to target? Okay, because price is going to make a lower low, so we can target this low down here. Okay, well, it's about 80 pips. Okay, I'm cool with that. So let's go ahead and play this out. Boom. Woo, look at that drop. Let's go. Hit TP. Beautiful, beautiful trade right there. 80 pip trade. Okay. 80 pip trade. Okay. So when you're trading the bread and butter strategy, you're trading against the trend. That's why we only stand in the market for a short period of time. Okay. Now to get in on the actual trend, all you have to do is after you get the high probability spike, wait for price to pull back. Okay, you get the high probability spike, wait for price to pull back, wait for the confirmation sale, take that sale. Okay, high probability spike, you can get in on the confirmation buy, price went all the way up here. Okay, wait for the confirmation sale and then take the sale, because again, we are bearish. Okay, so that is how the high probability spikes work for the bread and butter strategy. Okay, hopefully this is not too confusing to you guys. Hopefully I explained it well enough. All right, again, you can go back and test this yourself. It works. High probability spike, you can get in on the confirmation buy, or you can wait for the MACD to cross. Okay, high probability spike, get in the confirmation buy, or wait for the MACD to cross. Either or is totally fine. Right, this is going to happen again. Okay, we can do one more. High probability spike, we can wait for the confirmation buy, okay. All right, so you see how that kept us out of a bad trade. We got a high probability spike here. We did not get a confirmation buy. Okay, so that kept us out of a bad trade. Also, the MACD kept us out of a bad trade. Okay, and the MACD kept us out of a bad trade because the MACD did not cross yet. So here's an example of why you want to be patient and wait, because we did not get a confirmation buy yet, and we did not get a MACD cross. So this kept us out of drawdown. Okay, so why didn't this high probability spike work? Well, it did work. Okay, it gave us a quick buy here. Okay, but ultimately, let me show you something. All right, so if we go to, I'm going to erase everything, guys, so it don't look too confusing. Go ahead and erase all the drawings. Okay, and let me do this. So we have two high probability spikes right here. I'm going to highlight these on the 1 hour. Okay, we have one right there, and we also have one right here. Okay, now if you want to find out if these are going to work to give you a good pullback like these did, so this pullback was really 91 pips. This pullback, let's see, was 55 pips. Okay, so if you want to know if you're going to get a good pullback or if it's going to work out or not, what you want to do is, once you get a high probability spike, you can always go up a time frame. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame and see if you have the same exact high probability spike. So we do not have a high probability spike as we had on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame is still showing bearish activity. Okay, now here's where the difference is. Can you guys see here on this 1 hour high probability spike? Okay, we did not get a CC buy. Okay, price was not outside the band, but here price was outside the band. So whenever price goes outside the band, that is a valid CC buy or CC sell. Okay, and price will reverse, and that's what we have here, price reversing. Okay, now let's take a look here on this 4 hour, right? On this 4 hour time frame, we have a high probability spike here. Now if we go to the 1 hour time frame, as a matter of fact, let me select this and just go here just to show you. Okay, now when I go to the 1 hour time frame, you guys are going to see the same high probability spike on the 1 hour. Okay, here it is on the 1 hour. So when you have multiple time frames in alignment, my tri-frame alignment theory, we have the 4 hour, 1 hour, and if you even go to the 15-minute, you guys are going to see a high probability spike. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Once you see that, those 3 time frames in alignment, price is going to the moon. Okay. That is almost a guaranteed reversal that price is going to reverse here. Okay. So if we watch it play out, again, we can take our 2 entries. Our 2 entries are going to be what? The confirmation buy or the MACD cross. Okay. Here, even on the 15-minute, say if you want to get an earlier entry, you can. Okay. I'm going to show you how to do this. On the 15-minute, once they line up on a 4-hour, 1 hour, in the 15-minute, okay, you can, again, get a high probability spike. All you're waiting for is a MACD cross on the 15-minute. It's going to give you an earlier entry. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this theory out. MACD gave us a buy signal here. Okay, and we're going for what? Let's go for 50 pips. Because we have more than one time frame in alignment. So let's go back to the 1 hour. You can watch this play out. Okay, we got a 1 hour MACD cross. Okay, boom. We have lost that trade, okay, because it hit our stop. Now, normally, again, we would have won this trade. Price did some consolidation here. That's to be expected, okay? You're not going to get perfect entries every time, so you have to be mindful of that. But just know that price is going to go in that direction. The cheat code does not lie. If it says it's going to buy, it's going to buy. You just have to be patient and wait for price to get to your destination, okay? Would have made my stop loss a lot bigger. Wouldn't even have to worry about getting hit. Okay, but it does work. Plain and simple, does work. And price is even going to even trade even higher because we have the 4-hour time frame in alignment with the 1 hour and the 15-minute. Okay. But that is how the bread and butter strategy works. Okay, that is how it works, guys. Very, very simple, easy to understand. 1 hour time frame, you're looking for a high probability spike, and then you're waiting for the MACD to give you a buy signal. Once that happens, you can enter into the trade, and you're going to shoot for 25 pips. Okay. If you have a high probability spike on the 1 hour and you don't have it on the 4 hour, okay, make sure that the 4 hour has at least a CC buy. If it doesn't, then I wouldn't take that trade. Okay, I wouldn't take that trade. So again, this kept us out of a bad trade because we waited. We got a high probability spike here. Waited for the MACD to cross to let us know that it's ready really to buy. All right. So 1 hour, 4 hour in alignment. Okay. If the 1 hour has a high probability spike and a 4 hour does not, but it has a CC buy or CC sell depending on which way you're trading, take the trade. Okay. If it doesn't have the 4 hour spike and it doesn't have a 4 hour CC buy or sell, do not take the trade. Do not take the trade. All right, guys, that's how the bread and butter strategy works. Okay. 1 hour signal, high probability spike, 1 hour MACD buy or sell. It's just as simple as that. Okay. Or you can do a 1 hour spike and a confirmation buy or sell. Either or works. Okay, works. You can go back and back test this yourself, but I just wanted to show you guys that this strategy works in any condition, and it really works well with, again, NASDAQ, US 30, and gold. But again, it works for all instruments, as I'm showing you here, as it's working for Forex also. So thank you. If you want access to this, make sure you join our 25 pip challenge. Okay, inside the Telegram group, inside of pinned messages will be the link to download this MACD indicator. Okay, if you want the cheat code system, you're going to have to purchase a cheat code system, but you can get it at a discount once you go through the 25 pip challenge. Okay, it's a free community to join, or I'm just showing you guys how to slowly build an account using 25 pips. Other than that, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me introduce you guys to my number one trusted broker. They were acquired by they acquired LQDFX a couple months ago, and this broker is called PlexiTrade. Okay, they make trading very, very easy as far as trading with MT4 and MT5. So if you want to trade with MT4 and MT5, definitely get with PlexiTrade. Zero commission. The customer service is excellent. They always respond within a reasonable amount of time. You can reach them 24 hours of the day, 5 days a week. They offer 1 to 2,000 in leverage, and they have different trading accounts. Okay, very, very easy to register. With a micro account, your minimum deposit is $50. The silver is $300, gold is $300, and the platinum VIP is $10,000. Just wanted to show you guys real quick with the withdrawal process. Here's a withdrawal that I did on May 31st. Here is another that I did here just recently on June 11th, and I do post these inside of my free Telegram group so you guys can see. Where is it at? Let's see here. I think I passed it up. But just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, here it is. Just wanted to show you guys June 11th was the last withdrawal I did with PlexiTrade. Fast withdrawals, guys. No issues with them. So if you guys are looking for a trusted broker, please get with PlexiTrade. Thank you.